intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Hello Amazons, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, hello, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my good and trusty Ipsy Glam bag. So if you would like to see what I got for the month of November, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And, you know, if you're feeling generous, subscribe to my channel. Alright, Ipsy, they're all the subscription boxes. You've been one of the ones that have stuck around for the long haul. Alright, so, oh, I feel something outside of the brush already, but let me look at the bag. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have looked at the bag. It's not very cute, but hey, it's a makeup bag. All right, the first product, ooh, this is MOTD is the brand, and it says a perfect 10, but ooh, that's really nice. That's like kind of a dome powder brush, or it could be used for bronzer. Okay, let me see if I have a little card. So, a perfect 10 tapered face brush. This retails for $22. So it says the super versatile makeup brush multitasks almost as well as you do. Buff powder foundation, blend your brush and bronzer, and apply your contour and highlighter. So it's saying that you can use it for all of those things. All right. So next is this Koki Cosmetics Soft Glow Highlighter in Heavenly. So this is full size. Oh, it's only $5.99? What? All right. Kind of like a light gold. Oh, that's really pretty actually, and it's very creamy. I'm kind of surprised that it's only $5.99. Like, look at that. That's a really good highlighter. And it's full size. Okay, so far I've gotten 2 full-size products in just my like $12 Ipsy bag. Alright, next we have, oh my gosh, this is literally the tiniest sample of Tarte Shape Tape I've ever seen. So this is the little mini Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral. So full size retails for $27. Let's just... Okay, but I do love this concealer, so I'm not complaining. Next is this Illuminati Quad Palette in Enlightened. So I guess this is for full size, and it retails for $27. I'm usually not a big fan of quads, but this is actually really pretty. I can see you using this as the transition color, this to darken your crease, and then either one of these shimmers on the lid, and this one is really calling my name. Ooh, yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, and then my last product, one of my all-time favorite moisturizers, and this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. So they're saying this is a deluxe sample. I actually have deluxe samples that are bigger, so this is like a true mini sample. But full size, 6 ounces of this product is $34. Okay, so I'm really impressed with this Ipsy. I got 1, 2, 3 full-size products and then 2 minis, but for $12, like, hell yeah. I'm actually really impressed. Good job, Ipsy. Let me know what you guys think about this, and let me know what you got in your Ipsy for November. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video, which is going to be my Ipsy Plus. Bye.